Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video I am going to share with you 3 sets of gel paints from Light Elegance. Now these are not new to Light Elegance, but they are new to me. I have never tried the gel paints before, and I ordered the primary black and primary white, and I absolutely loved it for art, so I wanted to share that with you. Now I am not going to swatch out each of these colors because I want to do a little bit more of an art video for you guys, so if this interests you, just keep on watching. So I'm just going to show you each color, and then we're going to dive right into the art portion of the video. So let's start with the pastels. And the first one is Pastel Purple. And this is a gorgeous pastel purple with a blue base, because I'm seeing some blue in here. It kind of needs a little stir. But this is a gorgeous pastel purple. It's almost like a lilac color. Really pretty. Then we have Pastel Yellow. And this is a bit brighter than I was expecting for a pastel yellow, but pretty just the same. So if you don't have the right shade of any of these colors, you can mix these colors together to get the shade that you want. So that's Pastel Yellow, Pastel Blue, and a gorgeous baby blue, Pastel Blue. Okay, we have Pastel Green, and this is gorgeous. This almost looks like a mint green. This reminds me of chocolate chip mint ice cream. Pastel Orange. It's a little bit brighter. That's a little bit better. And then the last color is Pastel Pink from the Pastel collection. And this is a gorgeous baby pink. Gorgeous. Okay, let's move on to the primary. We have primary black, and it's just a black. White. It's a nice bright white. And we have primary yellow, and that's a really pretty yellow. Primary blue, and this is almost like borderline navy blue, but it's a deep blue. And we have my favorite color, primary red, and I'd say this is like a tomato red, a deep tomato red. And then we have primary green, okay, a nice dark green. Next we'll take a look at the neon collection. So we have neon blue. Doesn't look too neon in the camera, but we have a neon orange, neon yellow, that is neon. You guys are seeing that true to life too. Neon green, that's really pretty. Neon pink, so this is almost like a coral pink, make a great summer color. And neon purple. Okay, so there are some colors I do want to compare. So the 3 yellows, this is the primary yellow, neon yellow, and pastel yellow. So that gives you an idea of the shades of yellow that are in these 3 collections. Then we have the 3 blues. We have the primary blue, neon blue, and pastel blue. And those 3 colors ombre together would look really stunning. Okay, and here we have primary green, neon green, and pastel green. Really, I love these 3 shades of green. They're so different from each other, not similar in any way, so that's really, you can do a lot with that for art. Then we have pastel orange and neon orange, pastel pink and neon pink, and pastel purple and neon purple. Okay, so that gives you a good idea of what these 3 collections look like. You can buy them separately. I think you can buy them as kits as well at Creative Beauty. So you can just check the website if you are a licensed nail technician or esthetician and see what they have. Okay, let's jump right into some art. Okay, so I have a prepped nail tip ready to go, and I'm just dipping my ombre brush into the neon pink and just feathering it down the nail tip. Now every time you see my brush move out of frame, I'm just wiping off excess color onto a ceramic tile, and then that way I get a nice ombre effect with a drier brush. Now I'm going to flash cure for about 5 to 10 seconds, and then I'm going in with neon orange, and I'm going to ombre it up into the neon pink. When I get the desired ombre look, I will cure the nail tip for 1 minute in my UV LED lamp. These gel paints are very pigmented, so you want to cure them for a minute. Now I'm going in with a matte top coat and just putting a nice thin layer over top of this ombre look. And I'm going to cure for 1 minute in my UV LED lamp. Now I'm going to take pastel purple and primary white and put it on my ceramic tile, and I'm just going to do some petals with these two colors. Now this didn't really turn out the way I wanted it. I should have used neon purple instead of the pastel purple, but hey, you live and learn. I also want to let you guys know that everything that I am using here is available at Creative Beauty, so all my art brushes and the crystal pedestal that I'm using to do this art piece is available at Creative Beauty, and I will put in the description box every brush that I am using, so if you see something you like, you can find it on the website. So after I cure this for 1 minute, I am going to go in with Goldbug Buttercream and just put a dot in the center of the flower petals, then cure for 30 seconds. Then I'm going in with a matte top coat and I'm going to go around the Goldbug Buttercream color because I want that to remain shiny. I don't want the glitter to be a matte glitter. So on top of the Goldbug glitter, I am putting a little dollop of super shiny over top, then curing for 1 full minute. Next, we are going to do some swirls. So I'm going in with pastel purple because I had a lot on my ceramic tile, and I'm going to do the same process as I did with the other nail tip for ombre. So after I flash cured that, I am now going in with pastel pink and ombreing the color up into the purple. So now with my Detailer 2 brush from Ugly Duckling, I'm going in with the primary white and just doing some swirls all over the nail tip. One thing I absolutely love with these gel paints is that you don't need to flash cure between each stroke. You can go and do swirl upon swirl upon swirl and then cure the whole thing if you want. It doesn't spread out and self-level, and it's so easy to work with. I absolutely love this stuff, and I'm sure it's going to be in a favorites video coming up soon. Okay, and after I'm done with this design, I will cure for a full minute. Okay, and here's the two designs we just did, or I did, and you guys watched. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you have any questions or comments. I love to read them, you know that, you guys, and follow me on all my social media, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.